Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is the second part of chapter magnetic effect of current. In the first part we studied about the magnets, magnetic field lines, their characteristics and properties. We also studied about the relation between electric field and magnetic field. We studied about the Sir Oersted experiment which shows that there is a relation between electric field and magnetic field. And then we studied about the pattern of magnetic field in a straight current carrying conductor and the pattern of magnetic field in a circular loop, which shows the one face of circular loop as north pole and one face of the circular loop as a south pole, depending upon the direction of current. In this video we are going to discuss about what is solenoid, then clock rule, what are electromagnets and permanent magnets. Before going to solenoids and other things, let us first know about the pattern of magnetic field. Pattern of magnetic field means, see, magnetic field lines, they start from north pole and enter into south pole. This is the direction of magnetic field line. They start from north pole and enter into south pole. But inside a magnet, magnetic field lines are parallel. The magnetic field lines parallel, they represent a uniform magnetic field which is present inside a bar magnet, and the direction of this uniform magnetic field in a bar magnet is from south pole to north pole. इसको याद रखना पड़ेगा. But outside a magnet, the magnetic field lines are in the form of curved line which start from north pole and enter into south pole. And the distance between two magnetic field lines, this line and this line, the distance between these two magnetic field lines is more in comparison to the distance between here. So magnetic field lines at the poles they are close enough and at the side they are far enough. The magnetic field lines which are close enough, they represent a strong magnetic field, magnetic strength, and which are far, they represent the weak magnetic strength or less magnetic strength, and the direction outside a magnet is from north pole to south pole. Now this is solenoid. What is solenoid? Solenoid is a conducting wire which is in the form of spring. इस टाइप से कर्व किया हुआ स्प्रिंग ये solenoid कहलाता है. Circular loop, combination of number of circular loop, and such that the current enters from this direction and then current comes out from this direction. So the direction of current at this point is in downward direction, whereas here the direction of current is in upward direction. Here the direction of current is like this. So this goes on. Here the current direction of current is in downward direction, here it is in upward direction. So such that the one face of the circular loop, all direction of current is in upward, and then in one face the direction of current is in the downward direction. Now we come to solenoid. So what is solenoid? Solenoid is an insulated copper wire which is wounded around a cylindrical shape. This is called solenoid. When current is passed through this insulated wire, it behaves like a bar magnet. This is cylinder. So the wire is wrapped around this cylinder. The wire is wrapped around, one end of the wire is here. So it is wrapped around this cylinder. This is called solenoid. The wire is wrapped on the cylinder, and when the current is passed through this wire, insulated copper wire, it will behave like a bar magnet. This is one end of the wire, and the other end which is coming from this side. This is the other end of the wire. So when current is passed in this wire, it will behave like a bar magnet. This is called solenoid. The magnetic field, now since it behaves like a bar magnet, so it will have a magnetic field. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is parallel straight line, uniform magnetic field. In a solenoid, it is a uniform magnetic field, whereas the magnetic field outside the solenoid is closed curved line starting from north pole and ending into south pole. Now, the poles of solenoid, north pole and south pole, it depends upon the direction of current. The poles of solenoid depends upon the direction of current, that is according to the clock rule. And the current carrying solenoid, it behaves like a bar magnet. the length of the coil, this length of the coil, this is will be the length of magnet. This is clock rule. Now suppose this is a wire, the current is entering from this side, and then the direction of current here, it is downward direction. Here the direction of current is in the upward direction. So the direction of current is what? Clockwise. जिस तरह से घड़ी की सुई जो चलती है, that is the clockwise, the direction of that is called clockwise. So when the direction of current is clockwise, the phase will behave like a south pole. And if the direction of current is anti-clockwise, here you can see, here the direction of current is downward, whereas here the direction of current is in upward direction, that is direction of current is anti-clockwise, so it will behave as a north pole. When you learn this, when you understand this clock rule, you will be very easily, you will be able to find the poles, north pole or south pole of a solenoid. Now we come to electromagnets. What are electromagnets? So electromagnets, they are the magnets which gain magnetic property due to electric current. They are called electromagnets. So magnets which gain magnetic property due to electric current, they are called electromagnet. It is a temporary magnet. Why it is temporary? Because when you switch off the electric current in the wire, it will lose its magnetic property. So it is temporary magnet. Basically it is in the form of solenoid. The strength of electromagnet depends upon, now here it is an advantage that the strength of a solenoid will depends upon the number of turns per unit length. Number of turns means वायर जो ऐसे सर्कुलर फॉर्म में है, इसका पर यूनिट लेंथ में कितना नंबर ऑफ वायर्स है, उसके हिसाब से इसका स्ट्रेंथ जो होता है वो इंक्रीज करता है. इसके एक लेयर के ऊपर हम दूसरा लेयर भी डाल सकते हैं, तो इस तरह से नंबर ऑफ वायर्स इंक्रीज हो जाएगा पर यूनिट लेंथ. सो स्ट्रेंथ जो होगा वो इंक्रीज कर जाएगा. तो द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट, और वी कैन से द सोलेनॉइड ऑल्सो, the strength of solenoid depends upon the number of turns per unit length. Then the intensity of current, if we are increasing the amount of current, its strength will increase. Nature of core, the center part of magnet, the solenoid, not magnet, the center part of the solenoid is called core. So if air is filled, it will have a weak magnetic field, but when we change the center, the core, if we take an iron, soft iron core, and then we wrap the wire on that iron core, so its magnetic strength will increase. That is why the strength of electromagnet depends upon the nature of the core. Then poles can be reversed by reversing the direction of current. As you know, you have seen in the clock rule, the poles of solenoid can be reversed by reversing the direction of current, and this electromagnet is used in toys, electrical devices, electric motor, generator, cranes, etc., etc. Permanent magnets are those magnets which gain magnetic property and they do not lose magnetic property easily. So they are basically made up of steel and some alloys. Nipmerg, that is an alloy. It has a fixed magnetic strength. Its poles are also fixed. It is used in electric meter, loudspeaker, and electric clocks. Now these are some practice questions which are based on the first video and second video. So I would like all of you to practice all these questions, do these questions, at least read the question and just see that you are able to answer it or not. Thank you. Keep watching. Give your suggestion and comment, and what improvement you want in this. Please give your comment. Thank you.